What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you guys through the most effective kettlebell workout that you can do. You can do this at home or the gym. It's gonna be a total of 7 workouts. It's gonna be about 40 seconds rest max, no longer than that. Your reps are gonna change based on the exercise we're doing, and your sets are gonna be 3 sets per exercise. Now, before I go into this, I need you guys to do me a favor so I can continue to make more content for you guys. I need you to hit that subscribe button, all right? Now let's get into this. Let's go. So the goal and routine with this warm-up is to create blood flow throughout the body, doing functional movements. There's a total of 4 exercises. You complete them all back to back with no rest. 12 reps each exercise. You're gonna do a total of 2 sets. So the first workout is kettlebell swings. We're doing 15 reps, 3 sets. Again, 40 seconds rest, max. If you want to challenge, shorten your rest periods to about 30. The goal was to increase your heart rate, create a good amount of blood flow, and also start with a great exercise. If you're not sure how to do a kettlebell swing, I have another video in the top right corner. So hit that link after this video, and it shows you exactly how to do a kettlebell swing. So the next exercise is American kettlebell swings. The difference between the two is that one is you're coming straight up, engaging your core, squeezing your glutes. You do the same with the next exercise, but this one your arms are coming all the way up. The goal is to try to increase your range of motion, get your arms back towards your ears with full control over the kettlebell. So make sure you're not swinging. If it's too heavy, you go lighter in the weight. And for reference, the kettlebell I'm using is about 60 pounds. Okay, so I recommend going lighter if you feel like your shoulders are losing mobility, and work your way up. All right, so the next exercise is kettlebell squat thrusters. The goal with this one is to use momentum in your legs to push the kettlebell up. As you come down, imagine you're driving through the floor, pushing the kettlebell up like you're punching the ceiling, and then coming back down. As you bring the kettlebell down, have full control over the kettlebell and try to lay it on your chest. Okay? Try not to lay it on your wrist. Lay it on your chest and your shoulder, in between sweet spot. And repeat for the same amount of reps. All right, so the next exercise is called gorilla rows. That's what I call them. They're one of my favorite workouts, okay? So what you want to do with this one, you really want to make sure your core is tight. So suck your belly button in and squeeze your core. Keep your spine in a neutral position. And when you're rowing, you want to try to retract your shoulder blades. Keep your shoulder blades engaged and locked. Now when you row, you want to pull from your scapula and not your arms. I know it's a lot of cues and directions, but I want to make sure that you're doing this correctly. So if you feel like you're off, you feel it in your low back, then something's off, right? All right, so the next exercise is kettlebell plank drags. So same concept with the gorilla rows. You want to keep a neutral spine. So you want to keep your core tight, squeeze your glutes. You want to drag the kettlebell from one side to the other, again, without rotating your body, but just using your obliques and pulling, right? Stay in that position and then use the other arm and then complete for the set amount of reps. This one is very challenging. For the last workout, this is a bird dog single arm row. So with this workout, I like to challenge my core stability at the end. Okay, my body's fatigued, so let's challenge my stability, right? What you wanna do is suck your belly button in. Again, neutral spine. Try not to rotate. You want to try to stay as straight as possible. And roll the kettlebell from your scapula and not pulling from your bicep. Last but not least, make sure you try to keep that leg up. That's the challenge. Last but not least, it's the end of this workout. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like this workout and would like for me to continue to make more content, do me that favor, hit that subscribe button so I can continue to drop more workouts, motivation, nutrition tips, whatever you may need to help you. Also, in the comment section, let me know on things you would like to see. Now, I'm about to go eat. Your boy is hungry. Hope you guys have a great day. I'm out. Peace and love.